Welcome back. Governor of Goa Mridula Sinha is yet to give her consent on Mickey Pacheco's pardon file. It has been 11 days since jailed MLA Mickey Pacheco is awaiting pardon with bated breath. Cabinet approved pardon to Mickey on 29 July and sent the file to Governor for consent. Sources inform that Goa Governor is likely to take decision on Sunday on Mickey's pardon. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party claims to have conducted survey in which 94% people are not in favour of pardon to MLA Mickey Pacheco.
Cabinet had approved pardon to Mickey Pacheco on 29 July. File has been sent to Governor for consent. 11 days have passed and Goa Governor Mridula Sinha is yet to decide on Mickey's pardon plea. Sources inform that Governor is in dilemma whether to give consent or not. Governor may take decision on Sunday. Cabinet also tried to grant parole to MLA Mickey Pacheco to attend monsoon session of Assembly. Sources inform that legal advisors have advised concerned authorities against granting parole to MLA Mickey Pacheco to attend ongoing Assembly session. Advisors contend that it will send wrong signals to other states where convicted MLAs are serving jail term. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has done random survey in the state and reported that 94% Goans are against cabinet decision, while only 6% in favour of Mickey's pardon.
I think we missed out Margao. We did this just yesterday and day before. It was just an idea that came up and we said we'll go ahead and do it. We were not able to touch a lot of places besides Margao. Maybe we can, we'll consider having volunteers go to Benalium and take the survey. We don't mind. Basically 422 total samples, 94% no and 6% yes.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Assembly Speakers of India have unanimously decided that if Jammu and Kashmir Speaker Ravindra Gupta is not invited in Commonwealth Parliamentary Association meet, then they would boycott the meeting. CPA meeting was scheduled in Islamabad on 30th September. Pakistan did not invite Jammu and Kashmir Speaker.
Meeting was to decide only our participation in CPA conference in Islamabad. Pakistan and Jammu Kashmir invitation. We wanted to decide. Now it has been resolved that Jammu Kashmir invitation and all speakers from India region will boycott them. This is what we have decided.
As per reports, Pakistan did not send an invitation to Jammu and Kashmir Speaker Ravindra Gupta to the CPA meeting, which is to be held from September 30th to October 8th in Islamabad, while invitations have been sent to all other speakers in India. Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan says, "It is wrong on part of Pakistan. They cited an old rule of 1951 to 57 regarding having raised an issue of the UN Security Council for not inviting Jammu Kashmir Speaker, adding that it had lost relevance. The Speaker said Pakistan gave this reply when India took up the matter strongly with the CPA chairperson and Secretary General against leaving out Jammu and Kashmir Speaker." With Bureau Inputs, Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Construction of 3rd Mandavi Bridge is in legal dispute. National Green Tribunal has accepted a petition challenging construction of the bridge. Petitioner Goa Foundation has approached NGT contending this bridge is constructed without proper environmental clearances.
Construction of 3 Mandavi Bridge has came under scanner as petitioner Goa Foundation has challenged this project before National Green Tribunal. The petitioner has contended that construction of the bridge is going on without environmental clearances. The petitioner has also challenged proposed cutting of some 247 mangrove trees for construction ramps to access the bridge. Goa government has assured NGT that no mangrove trees will be cut till further order.
गोयचे विकासाक खो घालपाक सोदता जे लोक मांडवी ब्रिजाचेर केस घालता आणि पहिले म्हणजे गोंयांक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. आमचे जीवनदायिनी माधईचेर जो कर्नाटकान जो आघात केला ताजेर म्हाका हांचे इंटेन्शनाचेर खरेंच डावट येता. ते माधई इश्यूचेर कांय म्हणना पूण मांडवी ब्रिजाचेर जो आमचो विकासाचो एक पांय आसा ताजेर हे फ्रिवलसाचेर हे करता म्हणून मातशें खंय तरी डावट येता. The due course of whatever permission need to be taken will be definitely taken.
NGT has issued notice to the concerned authorities returnable of next date of hearing, that is 21st August. Mukesh Kumar and Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Agitated employees of Sports and Youth Affairs have demanded to reinstate them back to work. They are on indefinite fast unto death.
आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन आमी एकठांय आसा आनी एकवटान की आमचे चिंतलेलें काम आमी फुडें व्हरता कित्याक कांय काळ जालो सरकारान आमकां जायत्यो बसावण्यो केल्यो आमच्यो नोकऱ्यो परत दिता म्हूण सांगल्यो पूण त्यो दिल्योच ना आमच्या हांगा हाजीर जाल्ल्यांची म्हज्या गरीब भयणां भावांची असली परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा की तांचे कडेन घरांत जेवतलो म्हणल्यार कश्ट काडचे पडटा कित्याक काम करतालीं थंयसरल्यो नोकऱ्यो काडून कोणे तरी व्हेल्यो आनी तांकां आमकां भायर उडयली आमच्यो सर्विसीस आमी दिल्यो पूण तांकां अशें दिसलें काडून भायर उडोवचें म्हणून आनी तांणी भायर उडयले जाल्यार आज आमी मागता सरकारा कडेन जाता तितले वेगोवेग आमच्यो नोकऱ्यो आमकां परत दिवच्यो.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.